Hi friends, today our topic is chemical reactions. In this video, we will be studying about chemical reactions. What are chemical reactions? Chemical reaction is the process which leads to a chemical change of one substance to another. Types of chemical reactions. There are four types of chemical reactions. First is combination reaction, second is decomposition reaction, third is displacement reaction, and fourth is neutralization reaction. First, let us study about combination reaction. It is a chemical reaction in which two or more substances, which are reactants, combine to form a new substance, which is product. Therefore, it is called a combination reaction. Here, A and B, which are reactants, have combined to form product, which is AB. So here is the first example of combination reaction. Combination of hydrogen and oxygen gas yields water. So here is the chemical equation of water. In this, hydrogen and oxygen gases have combined to form water. Here is the second example. It is combination of nitrogen and hydrogen gas yields ammonia gas. So here is the chemical equation of ammonia gas. Here nitrogen and hydrogen have combined to form ammonia gas. So here is the third example, which is combination of magnesium and oxide gas yields magnesium dioxide. Here is the chemical equation of magnesium dioxide. Here, magnesium and oxide have combined to form magnesium dioxide. Now let us study about decomposition reaction. A chemical reaction in which more than one product is obtained from a single reactant is called a decomposition reaction. Here, AB, which are reactant, have decomposed and formed more than one product, which are A and B. So here is the first example of decomposition reaction, which is breaking of water into hydrogen and oxygen gases on passing an electric current. Here, by passing an electric current through water, it has decomposed into hydrogen and oxygen. So here is the second example of decomposition reaction. Decomposition of limestone, which is calcium carbonate, into lime, which is also called as calcium oxide and carbon dioxide gas on quick heating. Here, calcium here if we heat calcium carbonate, it breaks into calcium oxide and carbon dioxide. Here is the third example of decomposition reaction. Decomposition of sucrose into carbon and water. Sucrose is also called as table sugar. Here, if we heat sucrose It decomposes into carbon and water. Now let us study about displacement reaction. A chemical reaction in which one element displaces another in a compound is also called a displacement reaction. Here, A has displaced B in and in the compound of BC and has combined with C. Here, the strongest element, which is A, has displaced B and has combined with C. Now let us do some few examples to understand displacement reaction. First example is displacement of copper with iron in the solution of copper sulfate. So here iron had displaced copper in the compound and has combined with sulfate. So here the strongest element is iron and the weakest element is copper. So the strongest element displaces the weakest element. Here is the second example, displacement of copper with lead in the solution of copper chloride. Here the strongest element, which is lead, has displaced copper, which is the weakest element, in the compound of copper chloride, and lead has combined with chloride. Now let us study about neutralization reaction. It is an interesting reaction, a chemical reaction. A chemical reaction between an acid and a base is called a neutralization reaction. A neutralization reaction always leads to the formation of a salt and water. Here, A and B, which are acid and base, have combined to form salt and water. Here is the first example of neutralization reaction. The reaction between hydrochloric acid and sodium hydroxide yields sodium chloride and water. Here, sodium hydroxide, which is base, and hydrochloric acid, which is an acid, have combined and formed sodium chloride, a salt, and water. Here is the second example. The reaction between magnesium hydroxide, which is a base, and sulfuric acid, which is another acid, yields magnesium sulfate and water. Here, magnesium hydroxide, which is a base, and sulfuric acid, which is another acid, have combined and formed magnesium sulfate, which is a salt, and water. Thank you so much for watching my video. We'll see you soon.